Have you ever found that when you're using spices, you mightn't taste them as much as you would think? I'm Lindy Milan and welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, how are they stored? Spices should be stored in a container or something like this that's got a really good seal, or it can be in a jar like this. The other thing is, always make sure that they're stored away from the light, kept in the dark. Ground spices will last up to 18 months and whole spices about 3 years. But it's also about the quality of the spices. You really want good quality spices. You're not using a lot, so that can be it. And it might need that you need to add more. The other thing too is spice flavour needs to develop. So sometimes we toast the spices before we use them. Other times, if you're adding it to a dish towards the end, it might need time for the flavours to actually bloom. And finally, don't ever empty from your spice pack over boiling anything, because that steam will get up here and it'll spoil your spices. I keep mine in alphabetical order, in a basket, in a dark cupboard. See you next time.